Okay, in the chat, tell me how many of you have been going to YouTube and watching projects, right? 2 3 hours worth, and then you put it on one screen and then you start coding on another screen. How many of you do that from the start only without knowing nothing, right? Suppose I want to learn Solidity, so you'd go to direct a person who is teaching like Solidity tutorials, not tutorial, directly is coding the project and saying that, hey, it is beginner friendly. Even if you know nothing about Solidity, you can do this. And then at the end, what you do is you copy paste or just look at this 3 hours video and complete it in like 3 4 days. If all you do is just copy paste from his screen and understand nothing, right? I am pretty sure majority of you might be doing that. I used to do that in my first year as well, but then slowly I realized that that's not the way to go. So at first, what we do is understand every single concept. Secondly, okay, what you do is you look at projects, different projects, right? So second thing is we need to find a place where we can find projects, right? I in back in my time when I used to learn Solidity or build different projects in Solidity, I used to go to Figment learn. Okay, I'll show you this. Cool. And I will show you how you can uh, create your own projects, or in fact get used to creating projects and get that logic building from this website. Or there might be other websites also there where you can find a lot of projects. Okay, now you go to Figment or any other site that you like. Okay, Figment is something that I used to do, therefore I am familiar with it, and I will show you the way you can do. Okay, so there are so many different projects: Avalanche, Hello, Ceramic, Mina, blah 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 blah. All are from different smart contract languages only. Some are Ethereum chain, some are Solana chain, and there are different chains. But here, what we will do, we will focus on Ethereum chains. So हम क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे? We'll write Solidity. मार दिया. Cool. Now you will see uh, a lot of Solidity, but here is one Avalanche, one is Polygon. I don't know why this came. This is Rust, but all you have to do is, oh, okay, I clicked on JavaScript also. I need to, yep, only this. Now Solidity. If and there are different L2 chains, right? Celo, Polygon, but we don't have to focus on all of these. We will go to a beginner one. Okay, now this is unit testing. This is very okay. NFT with royalty on Avalanche. You don't have to see any of these. कुछ नहीं देखना है सब. All you have to see is like this is Solidity. मतलब ये Ethereum पे चलेगा. Cool. You copy this, you go to Remix, you paste it, and you start going through the function what it is doing. Okay, so this is doing this is doing that. You try to, okay, this mint should be from this ERC URI storage, right? It should be from here only, and this token URI should be from this contract only. And then you try to explore and see what it is trying to do. Okay, and then you go and read the. You might find a front end as well. What? Okay, here is no front end. It is intermediate. I know why it is intermediate. This should be very basic thing. But then you create the front end on your own. You don't have to see it from here. Here you will find front end as well, but you will not create the front end on your own. Sorry, you will not create or copy paste the front end from this side. You will create it on your own. And here, suppose this is हम ना DAO देखते हैं. We will create a DAO. We will not create here. I'm showing you how you can do. Let's check. There might be a DAO one which should be advanced. I'm pretty sure it should be advanced. Give me a second. Give me a second. Load more. Okay, let's DAO. Click on this. Okay, it is an advanced project. DAO is always advanced. Okay. Now what you have to do is, okay, I want to learn about DAO. You copy paste every single thing that is present here and try to read the smart contract, because I'm pretty sure 90% of the things that is done here, we have covered it in the Solidity classes, right? You try to read and understand what is present here, do it on Solidity, then create a front end, and then deploy it and create a front end. And I'm pretty sure If you do all of these steps right, make a beautiful front end, your project will be resume level 100%. Okay, like this. Now then you start doing these type of stuff, and people will say, oh, now you are copy pasting, now you are doing this from here, and there will be allegations that, hey, tumne to copy paste kiya hai, what have you done something on your own? So for that, what you have to do is, you copy pasted this product, you understood. So what you do is you try to read problem statement, and you try to come up with something on your own. It is a long process, it won't happen in a day or something like that. It take like 6-7 months, but for now this is the hack that you should, and everyone should, or every beginner should follow. Okay, then what you can do is go to two to three contracts and try to merge them, try to correlate or find some correlation and create something unique of those three contracts by utilizing those concepts that you have learned from the three smart contracts, and then create a unique front end. And by this way, you will start getting the hint of how you can create something on your own, and slowly and steadily you will start solving problems by reading a problem statement. So this is what I would advise you to do in the next 3 weeks. What you can do is either take this take the smart contract and take the staking one that I have given, implement new. Okay, I'm giving you an idea. For example, I have given you that staking contract. What you can do is you can implement a feature in which, suppose I have this ERC-721 or this NFT, only then I will be able to stake. Okay, so now you do it how you think, and try to implement that on your own. Okay, some ऐसे ऐसे करके you start creating more and more, and big projects. So yeah, this is my advice at this point of time. Any doubts?
Any questions, guys, to start with? We have lot more discussion, but okay. So I think Priyanshu, let's deep dive into the topics there, right? And I think we've been getting in a lot of questions on what projects to work on, etc. And also might be let's make a list. We discussed yesterday. One is a staking thing, one is a DAO thing, right? And
DAO and staking, I guess. First,
so let's have might be 6 to 8 projects.
Okay, DAO first. Okay, I can give you a list by today, not tonight only. But what we can do is DAO hai. The blog, though, it's a very simple application. What we can do?
No.
Can we create this exchange? Will be able to create a DEX on your own?
So I think we have a couple of folks around Garima. I don't.
It's on Figment only, but you have to just read a little bit.
Okay. So Garima, did you come up with any specific project ideas so far, or any other ones? Right? I just picked up Garima, but like any other one.
Yeah, actually, I was thinking about a project, so I had this idea. So what it was, there are reality programs there. So they give they call celebrities, and whatever celebrities won, the celebrities say that they will give it to charity, but we don't know that whether they have given it to charity or not. So we can make a DApp out of it, that that reality program will give that money to us in the name of that celebrity. So we'll know what we are going to do of that money. Then we'll have charity programs listed on our app, and we can know by talking to them, like whosoever needs money urgently, so we can provide money to them, and they can in return provide NFT to that celeb, and that's it. So they'll know they have provided their charity to them. And
is
then
it something like crowdfunding, but with a twist?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, same. You can go to refer to Figment. There is projects on crowdfunding as well, but you have to implement your own logic there, right? Good. That's a good idea.
Yeah, I love that idea. And any other ones, any specific project ideas that you have in mind?
No, like just this.
Oh, no. Yeah, Garima, you're good. And I'm talking about other folks. Megana, Swati. Okay, let me stop recording.